What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Daddy D Gaming. I need to know what to call you guys. I need your help. Like, what are you? Are we Family D? Are you Daddy D'ers? Most of you are probably chat fam people. You're chat famers, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming here from our family channel. But what are you guys? I need to know what to call you. Are you D's guys? Guys, I need help. Put in the comments what I can refer to my subscribers on this channel, because most people, you know, come up with some name and I haven't thought of anything yet. So maybe I'll use one of your ideas. But real quick, before we get into the build, and this thing is amazing, I'm going to show you guys like everything that we put together in this room, at least the computer part of it. And I'll do like a room tour for another video. But this is the first video where I'm going to choose somebody in the comments and I'm going to buy them whatever game they want. And I'm going to do this for the first 30 videos. So to be eligible, you have to be subscribed. You have to have that bell clicked, so your notifications have to be on your phone and on YouTube, so you guys get notified of my videos. You have to leave a comment, and you have to refer at least one person to this channel and get them to subscribe. We're gonna grow this thing quick, so I need your help. So all you have to do in your comment is let me know the first name of who you got to subscribe to the channel. I have some software where they can help me track this stuff. Just give me their first name. I don't want their social or their last, their address, what color their hair is. Just tell me their first name. And for extra entries, refer more people. If you game with John, Anthony, Shaniqua, and Gemma, I can't think of names right now, you'll put those first names in the comments with your comment about whatever video it is, and that's 4 extra entries. And I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna use an app and I'm gonna have it like randomly generate, find somebody, and we're gonna buy them a game. So let's go. Want to give away 30 amazing games to 30 people. Let's grow this thing and give me some ideas, you guys. I need to know what to call you. Let's get into the video. Without further ado, this is my first PC build. I'm a console gamer. I know nothing about computers. I had a friend help me, and this is how it went. Enjoy. Guys, it's such a special day. Kara, isn't it a special day right now? Special night. Why is it special, Kara? Wait, where are you going? Come back into the frame.
Mom, I had my baby.
Oh, Ava. Kara, why is it special though? Gemma, why is it special?
Ava, of course.
Of course, Ava.
Hey,
You're crazy, Bumblebee. Guys, my friend is here. His name is also Darik. He has a splendid name. Kara, I'm building my first computer tonight. The best part is I think this is gonna be a supercomputer, right, Darik?
Best thing we're gonna build.
Really? Hold on, guys. This is the myth, the
This
legend.
is the real reason why we're excited.
This is D-E-R-E-K, Darik, not to be confused with
D-E-R-E-K.
D-A-R-I-K, Darik.
D-E-R-E-K.
Yeah, he's
As
D-E-R-E-K.
no, 100%. Every time they ask me, it's always D-E-R-E-K.
Yeah, I mean, it's
I go, yeah, that's the right way.
Dude, it's the boring way. It's fine.
My little boyfriend all through elementary school was Darik. D-E-R-E-K.
You had a boyfriend other than me?
Yeah.
And his name's Darik?
We used to swing on the swings together, and he would bring me. Remember, my mom showed you. She still has. He used to bring me little stuffed animal puppies to school.
Yeah.
But the way you spell it, I've never seen it any other way like that.
Mine?
Yeah, your way. Yeah,
I know.
I've never seen that way before.
No. D-A-R-I-K is unique. It's fine, bro. You're not unique. So we're gonna go build it. This is D. Hold on. Okay, bro. So how long is this gonna take?
Wow, dude, this is like the craziest thing I've ever built.
Really? That's good.
It's gonna take some time.
Love you, babe. Gotta go. Good night, Gemma. Are you taking Pumpkin to bed with you?
No, I don't have my bedroom.
Okay, you're taking your, okay. So she has Pumpkin, you have Ava.
We're gonna go have a play date.
All right, girls' night. There's one
Ava
boy
is
in there.
so snuggly.
Oh, Ava. Actually, there's 2 boys. Ava's a girl, Pumpkin's a boy, and there's a boy in there. So it's not really girls' night, but have fun.
Gemma's blowing out the candle.
I am just speechless. I think I might leave console for this.
You really? Let's go. This is one of the things I just got. Do what you love. Got it on Amazon. I love that because I turn it on in my game room and I love to play games, so it fits over here. I just want to say that I'm super stoked that I'm actually doing this now. I've been thinking about getting a PC for so long, and now that I have everything, we're building it tonight, I'm actually super stoked. Like, we're legit gonna be up all night. I told Darik, hey, you're not going home to your wife tonight. You're sleeping over, let's get this all set up. And he, of course, he's like, okay. So we're having a little man sleepover and we're gonna set this all up. So I'm stoked. And I'm stoked that you guys have followed. You're amongst the first followers. So thank you guys for the early support. I love you guys a lot. So Darik, I'm gonna call him Darik number 2. I'm Darik number 1. Darik number 2, he's upstairs on my other computer loading on Windows onto like a hard drive to like boot it up when we get this thing going. Guys, I just walked in the room. Oh my goodness. Look at all that's on the table. All this is on my little teeny monitor table. Now we finally got it all here. We got to unbox it all and we're going to get going. It looks really good. Hopefully that doesn't fall. And pour myself some kombucha. So if you guys haven't tried kombucha, it's an acquired taste, but
So good.
so good. Some people think it's the nastiest drink on earth. I love it. And Darik loves it.
It's an acquired taste, but
Acquired taste,
I'm
but
addicted to it.
it's like it burns your stomach kind of as it goes down. It's just full of probiotics. It just feels like it's healing your gut. So less of the other crap, honestly. All right, first things first, the motherboard. So this thing is the Asus ROG Maximus 12 Extreme. It's actually the one that supports my CPU. It supports the 10th generation CPU. So this is like pretty new. If you really want to see the specs, go in the description. You can check it out. I mean, for me, it's going to be future-proof for a while. So let's unbox this bad boy. Boom, there she is. Look at that. The motherboard, the mother of all mothers. Beast of all beast. The insane stuff going on in this motherboard. Stuff 1, stuff 2. Oh, a bunch of stuff. Cords on cords on cords. That's a strap, right?
Yep.
I'm already overwhelmed with how much stuff was in the motherboard box, but let's go. And I got my static wrist strap because I was told that you don't want to do this over carpet, which we are, unfortunately. But I'm gonna put this thing on so that I don't zap my components. And I am not wearing socks, if you really want to know. I'm going to attach this to the base, the alligator clip, to the base of my table, which is metal, and I'm going to put this on my ankle. So, I'm not going to be blowing up any computer parts today, all right? And all you guys that are avid PC builders and know what you're doing, don't have to write in the comments like, where was your static electricity strap? This right here is a magnet. So, it's so easy to open and close. It's like a big butterfly. I want to be built. I want to fly. This is it. So, going straight in. I see all the holes. Okay, we got to the hard drive. So, Nano NVMe M.2. But this is the 1 terabyte, the 970 Pro. Boom. Both in, baby. 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Okay, it's RAM time. Got the RAM. So this is what we got. It's RGB, so it lights up very nice. It's DDR4, and I got 2 sticks. But I'm learning so much about computers just doing this with my good old buddy Darik. So this is fun. I know a lot of you guys watching this probably have built 100 computers and are like, how did you not know what RAM is? Well, do you have 5 babies? Do you know what a baby Brezza is? So check this out. We got 4 RAM slots. We looked it up. So this is A1, A2, B1, B2. So you have to space them out. So you have to put 1 in A1. And we got number 2. There you go. Boom. Okay, next up, the power supply. So I was told this is called a Supernova 1000P 2000 watt platinum power supply from EVGA, same company that did the graphics card. So my buddy told me, hey, you know what, Darik? 750 watts, you're good with. But if you want to future-proof it, go for 1,000. So, you know me, if you give me an option, I'm gonna go for the one that's higher, more expensive. Dang it, don't give me options. So we future-proofed it, 1,000 watts. Let's throw this bad boy in. What's in the box? Dun, dun. Okay, first thing you'll notice is we have enough cords inside the box to go bungee jumping. So here's the big block. Boom. 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 Velcro ports on ports. Boom. Okay, so one thing to know about power supplies is there's bronze, gold, and platinum. This one's 80 plus platinum. So this power supply is overkill, but motherboard, VGA for the graphics card, CPU. I can pretty much power like 17 more graphics cards and like 10 more motherboards, which we don't need. So plug these in, pretty simple. First, motherboard. Boom, VGA. Okay, CPU baby, CPU 1. I wanna hear the click. Got it. Finally got it in there. It took some shoving, but we got it in. Next thing, boom, Corsair, this beautiful H100i Pro RGB low noise 240mm RGB liquid CPU cooler with this cool LED right here. But before we do this, gotta do this. Oh man, here we go. Oh, that's it. i9-10900k, 3.7 gigahertz, overclocks to 5.2.
Kind of just sets in place.
Ooh, it did. It just set in place. Okay, screwing this down. Okay, CPU is in now. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the cooler. Okay, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought. This is it, and it has this big old kind of just heavy metal Corsair piece. Making progress. We got the CPU cooler, and we're putting the fans in. Got the fan screwed on, and we are putting it towards the top of the computer. There's the thermal paste right there. This is scary. Don't touch anything there. Okay, got it on. Now I've got to tighten the screws. Okay, guys, we are now at the point where we need the beast, the graphics card. The EVGA for the Win 3 RTX 2080 Ti. Dude, it's time. Oh. This is a graphics card. Look at that beast. Just triple fans. It has the name right there. It is so heavy. Wow. It's my most expensive part, and I don't trust myself. So, Darik number 2.
I don't trust myself either, though.
Yeah. Haven't you not? He said you've never seen a crowd like that before, right?
I've never seen this big of a card.
We got the beast inside the rig. It took 4 hands to get it down in there. And now just putting up the power supply over here in the blue corner. So we just put the graphics card in, and then we found out that both the CPU and the GPU, they require 2 power sources. So after hooking it up, we saw it needs 2 power cords for each of them, which isn't, I guess, normal. So we got it all in. There she is. And then we realized there's 2 spots. So now we have to go and take the power brick back out, unscrew it, just so we can run this other one down in there. Okay, got some cable management going. You pin these together.
Oh, I just cut it.
I just have to walk in and this looks like, I did not know you have this much stuff to build a flippin' computer. But we got everything in. We just have to do some cable management. We got all the boxes everywhere, so I'll go clean all this out. Let's see. There she is, all the cords. We haven't done the cable management yet, so we're gonna put all the cables nice and tight, put the sheath back on that metal plate, screw it in. But first, we gotta see if she turns on. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna make sure we don't get any weird lights before do some cable management. Believe it or not, it's like almost 4 a.m., so we both are dead tired. I'm not gonna hook it up to the monitor tonight. We're gonna come back and I'll clean up this mess, but please, guys, First, let's see if she turns on. Okay, we plugged it in. Let's see. Wait, we have any lights? Whoa, but lights came on. Wait, we haven't even turned it on yet, and it's saying extreme. What? That's a screen?
That's a screen?
That's a screen? I didn't even know. I was touching that thing. I should not even touch that thing. That's a screen right there. That's crazy. Okay, third time's a charm. Hit the power button. Yes! Let's go. Hit me up, bro. Yes! Oh, we missed. Oh, well. I'm so tired. It's 4 a.m.
So tired.
I'm so tired. And everyone, please thank Darik number 2.
Number 2.
For his hard work and staying over here. He left his wife, his son.
I left my family.
He has to wake up at
I just wanted to see these LEDs turn on.
Yeah, they're beautiful, actually. Thanks to him, we have a rig going because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I learned a lot tonight. Can't wait to fire up some sick games and play with you guys. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. What's up, kids? My kids aren't watching. They might be down the road. But you guys, welcome back to day 2 of the most epic build you've ever seen a Data 5 do for his first computer build. Because this is my first computer build. I've learned a lot as I've been going. This is the exciting part. Finally downloaded Windows, got that onto a USB. So I'm going to unbox my monitor, unbox my mouse, unbox the keyboard, that nice RGB keyboard, fire those up, hook up the monitor to the computer, and boot up Windows. So let's see how this goes. I'm excited. I want to see an actual image on my screen. And then I want to download a game and play a game. Here's the stuff we still need to unbox over here. The microphone, keyboard, mouse. And then we got the boxes that we've used already for the computer parts. So keep everything. You never know when you're going to need it again. I got to hang this somewhere. And check out my mess. I'm no shame. I'm going to show you my mess because this room was spotless before we started this computer build. Spotless. After this build, I'm gonna do a whole room tour and I'll show you guys everything in this room. Okay, this is the fun part. This is the stuff that actually I will be using every day. Of course, I'll be using this stuff, but this is the stuff I'm having my hands on. So I got my keyboard. This is the Platinum K95 RGB from Corsair. Real good one. It's a mechanical keyboard, so it has that clicky noise that I really like. It lights up beautifully. I saw this one in Best Buy lit up and it looked beautiful. And then the mouse, I got the G903 from Logitech. So the G903, it has a 16K sensor. Let's start with this little baby mice mouse. The little mouse. It has the Apple boxing where it slides up. Ooh, pretty. Check it out. I love all the contouring and the edges. I also felt this in Best Buy and this is my favorite. It had like the best click. It didn't have too many weird buttons. I don't like so many buttons. Let's get the keyboard out. Platinum keyboard. Platinum packaging. It will take you hours to get the one piece of tape. Oh, ooh. Oh, the gunmetal looks pretty good. It's like dark gunmetal. I really like this thing. It comes with a nice like cushion so you can support your wrists. This thing took me so long. I already told you guys, it took me so long to find a monitor. Settled on this one, but I think it's gonna be the first of many because I was torn between wanting a 4K monitor, but also once you get into the PC realm, they tell you about frames per second, you know? Us console gamers, we're just used to seeing less than 60 frames or 60 frames, but in the PC world, that's different. So I wanted higher frame rate, so 144 hertz. There she is. This is the LG Ultra Gear 27 GNA50 27-inch 1 millisecond time HDR. I think it only has the HDR 600 or maybe 400, I don't know yet. Nano IPS, has G-Sync. It's G-Sync compatible, so it does not have the chip. I'm gonna fire up a game of Call of Duty Warzone and see how I do. But let's see what this thing looks like. I'm excited. It has that fresh new smell. Got the stand. I hope this fits on my desk. I didn't realize how small my gaming desk was, so here she is. All right, so here it is. Now let's put the stand and get it up. Look how simple this was though. This is worth showing. Everyone needs to have setups like this. Stick it on, it pops these things out. You just spin them with your fingers. No tool necessary. And I got my stand. Now, not sure about this yet. We're getting to that after. The manual just says set it down. So you put it in and it clicks. Got the monitor all set up on the stand. I'm gonna raise my desk, right? That's why I got this desk. It's a little smaller than I thought, but I like this. It's coming. Oh, you can go high, huh? My big mouse pad. This thing, 3XL Pro Gaming Mouse Pad. Let's throw this on and see how much the desk it takes up. Oh no, it's one of those platinum stickers again. Let's check out this big, huge gaming. Whoa. Wow, this is like a yoga mat. Is it too big for my desk? Let's go. Oh, it's too perfect for words. I didn't measure anything. All right, I'm gonna come get you, camera. Come check this out. Woo! Okay, guys, I, for the first time, lifted my desk, put the computer on there, put my monitor up there, got my keyboard and my mouse and my mouse pad, and it just looks clean. I am so stoked. I need to turn it all on, but I'm kind of scared. I don't know what to do. We're gonna do it. You guys ready? Let's turn it on. Let's plug it in. Oh my gosh, I just plugged in the keyboard to the computer and it's doing some lights. Okay, let's power this on first. Okay, here goes the button. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this crazy thing. And these lights are nuts. Got the graphics card just making some noise. My little screen down here inside says HDD, post error. Check out the fans on the front. Dang, those look so good. Okay, you guys, we did it. If you look right here, this is the Windows screen. It works, everything works. Time to download some drivers and some games. So we will see you next video. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that build. It was super fun. Honestly, for my first one, I would say it was a great success. What do you guys say?
Yeah, actually, Darik, I think you're right. I think it was a great success. You did a great job.
If you want to ask me, I think you could have done it faster. It was kind of slow.
All right, sorry, creepy man. You guys, I was having fun with my voice changers. Listen up. If you guys made it to this part of the video, I'm pretty sure this video is pretty dang long because, yeah, we didn't know. Well, my friend knew what he was doing for most of the time, but a lot of the parts were so new that he's never seen them before. But I'm on it right now. The rig works flawlessly. My first PC, I'm gonna tell you guys, I am in love. I really am. Love this thing. It's a beast. It's quick. So much more fun than console gaming. I've had so much more fun. That's the next step, is games. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. I'll be choosing someone from this video to get a free game, and I will message you back and let you know how to redeem that. Now it's just games, baby. So I'm stoked. I'm excited. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are my day oneers, and we'll see you next video. Peace.